Danica here, and I teach and design WordPress membership site. And I just want to record this very short video. This is my process when I'm replacing like a live members website with the newly updated, like if you have any new design or redesigning your membership site. This is gonna be my process, so I want to share that. Now, the key here is we want to make sure we maintain whatever the latest progress of your members while you were working on the new version, right? So in this example, I am using Cloudways for their hosting. So Cloudways provide their plugin to Migrate. So make sure you install that. But let me just walk you through exactly what is my process. So inside Cloudways, here, example, in the application, so we have two. We have a staging site and we have the live site. So first is you want to copy your live site, install the Cloudways Migrate, and migrate this or copy this to your staging site. So this is my staging site. Now, the live site, the live version, because there's two versions here, has the new design that I was working on, we're working on for this website. Now, we have copied the live site a month ago in this location. But of course, the user has already made their progress, maybe enrolled to a new or to the other courses that's available inside the website. So we want to make sure we keep that progress from their end. So we have this live version. It has the old data, but it has a new design. And we copy the live site and copy that to the staging site, right? So right now, the situation is going to be you have this latest design and you have this latest data from your website. So after you do that, then the process is this one. So click the staging site. So I always do this on the staging site first. And then in here, there is this staging management. And then here, I'm going to select the pool. So copy data from live to staging. So that means I'm going to pull all of the latest design that I did on the live site to the staging site. And again, the staging site has the original version or the current version of their website, which we haven't, or the version that does not have the latest design, right? So we go back to Cloudways here. So pull this, and what's it gonna do is it's gonna pop this up and it's gonna allow you to select. So copy from live to staging. So it says this process will copy the changes from live application to the staging application. Now make sure your staging site has all of the data and the migration is completed before you start any of this. So just want to note that. But what you're gonna do is you select this and you select the database. And from here, we're going to switch to selected tables. Now, again, the goal is we want all of the new changes that we have done inside the website, whether that's design or updated the course content or whatever. But we want to maintain the user's progress, right? So I'm just going to wait for this to finish loading. And then it's going to present you with some selections. Now, first is I'm going to select all, right? And then I'm going to do Control F. I'm going to search for user. So if there's a user on this table, then I'm going to uncheck it. So we have 7. So this is the first one. And then I'm going to move here. So the first one was this. So just uncheck all of that. Uncheck. So uncheck. Uncheck. Until you have unchecked all of the table. So after you select all or uncheck all of the items here, which are tables in the database. So that is when you're ready to proceed. Now, I'm not going to click this because I've already finished this process for this website. So we've successfully maintained and keep the latest users' progress, even the new users that were enrolled. It's also synced and added with the latest design of the website. Now, other than this part, which is successful in our process, I also want to make sure that if you are, like example, trying to merge one membership site to another, and then you're hoping that you can also maintain the progress. Like example, I think the example scenario is we have this website, they have two membership sites, and this time they want to merge or just have one membership site and move those courses that were in the members 2 to the members 1 as an example. With that case, we can't maintain the user's progress because the course ID has already changed, which means the course does not exist originally in the website. So we can't mimic what the original course ID is and then expect to have exactly similar to the members one. So just a note on that one. It's a different case if you're trying to do it that way. But if you're just trying to take your new members live with your new design and exactly similar courses, but you're worried and want to make sure that your users' progress is maintained and all the new users are also kept, then this is going to be the process. Now, in this case, I'm using Cloudways, but I'm sure you could also do it for the other website. Other hosting. I know that WP Engine also has this functionality, but check with your hosting if they can do this kind of process. It's very helpful. And yep, I hope this quick video helps. If you have any question, just comment down below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.